These are the top 5 Revit skills that you should know. First is Revit modeling. In this, you need to know that how levels work in Revit, how you can model walls, floors, ceiling, and how to place these views on sheets, how sheets work, how scheduling is done in Revit. So this is the first basic modeling Revit skill that you need to learn. Second Revit skill that you need to know is how families work in Revit. Everything that you do in Revit is a family. Even a wall that you make is a family. Windows, doors, everything, even the flooring that you make is a family essentially. And you can customize these families based on your requirement. Whatever type of flooring that you are using, whatever type of ceiling that you are using, you can customize it, make it as per as your requirement. So if you know how family works, you will excel in Revit. And also guys, I have made specific video about how Revit families are made. I am still uploading those videos probably every 2 weeks or every week, in which I am teaching you how Revit families are made, how parameters in Revit families are set, and how they function with those parameters. So go ahead, check that video out. The third skill that you should know is how central models are made, how central models are shared, and how to work within the central model, how worksets are used to manage these central models. So this is the third skill that you need to know. Fourth is the ACC part of Revit, where you are collaborating in the cloud. You don't have to have the model downloaded in a central company server. The model is saved in Autodesk Construction Cloud, and every time you open Revit, you go to Autodesk Construction Cloud and open the model through the ACC portal. And everything, every data that you generate or make is finally at the end synced into the cloud. And this enables multi consultant collaboration, where your consultants of mechanical or electrical might be sitting across the ocean, but you can still work together. So this is another part that you need to know, that okay, Revit can do this as well. Fifth Revit skill is something that is for the pro Revit user. In this, you can actually do energy analysis of the building. So once you have mastered the all 4 skills that I spoke about, this is the next skill where you use the Revit Insight or Autodesk Insight part, where you can model a object or a home or a building, and you can put in all the details about your structure, and Autodesk has a tool that will give you the energy analysis of the building. There are a lot of off-market applications, but again, to go to that, you need to first excel all the 4 skills, and then you can do energy analysis of your entire structure in Revit itself. So these are few of the things that you need to know if you are trying to or planning to move into BIM industry or excel into BIM industry right now. So guys, this was it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please go ahead, hit a like and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to check out the playlist for parametric Revit families that I have made. It will absolutely help you to learn Revit better and to understand Revit better. So go ahead, check it out, and I'll see you soon.